Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 1791, that is find center of star graph. So let's go by the problem statement first. There is an undirected star graph consisting of n nodes labeled from 1 to n. A star graph is a graph where there is one center node and exactly n minus 1 edges that connect the center node with every other node. You are given a 2D integer array edges where each edges of I is equal to ui comma vi indicates that there is an edge between node ui and vi. Return the center of the given star graph. So in this problem statement, we are given a star graph in the form of number of nodes and edges. So there are n number of nodes in the given problem statement and these number of nodes are labeled from 1 to n. A star graph is a graph where there is one center node and exactly n minus 1 edges. So in case of star graph, there will be one center node and there will be n minus 1 edges. So let's understand this from the given example number 1. So in this case, the number of nodes are 4. So nodes is equal to 4 and edges are 3. So coming to this statement, star graph is a graph where there is one center node and exactly n minus 1 edges. So there is one center node, in this case it is 2 and there are n minus 1 edges. So n is 4 in this example and n minus 1 will be 3. So there are 3 edges. So coming to the second part of the question, you are given 2D integer array edges where each edges of I is equal to ui vi indicates that there is an edge between node ui and vi. Return the center of the given star graph. So let me clear this out. Yeah. So edges are given in the form of 2D array or vector and we have to find the center of the graph. Yes, so this is the given problem statement. So how can we solve it? So let's pause the video for some time and think how we can solve this. Yeah, so there is one interesting part in this problem statement, that is we are having all the edges connected to center vertex. That is, center vertex is common in all the edges. So let's take example number 1. Yeah. So in this case, center vertex is 2. So 2 is common in all the edges. Similarly, for example number 2, in this case, center vertex is 1. So 1 is common in all the edges. So what we can do, we can just find the common in all the edges and we can return that. That will be the center vertex of the graph. So how we can find the common in the given edges array? So I will write the edges array here again so that we can understand easily. 1 2 2 3 4 2. Yeah. So to find common out of these and all these inside arrays are having two elements. So finding common out of all these is just finding common out of these two. So in these two, one element will be common and that will be common in the other edges also. So how we can find common in these two edges is like we'll compare this vertex with this vertex, then again we'll compare this vertex with this vertex, and if any of these two doesn't match, then we will just return this vertex. Like that we can do. So let me write it over here. So let's assume this is A, this is B, this is B1 and this is A1 and this is B1. So what we can do is we can compare A with A1 and if this is if these are equal, then we will return A. Then we will compare A with B1. So if these two are equal, then we will return A or B1. In this case, A or A1. Now if any of these two doesn't matches, means comparing this 1 with 2 and 3 does not match, so this is the element which is common, so then just return B. So after doing two comparison, we can find out the common in these two. So now let's code this in C++. Yeah, so let me explain what I did over here. So in this case, first I have compared the first vertex of edge 1 with first vertex of edge 2, and if these two are same, then return any of these two. You can say return this or you can say return this, because both are same, then it doesn't matter. So now we have compared in the second statement, we have compared first element of edge 1 to second element of edge 2. So if these two are same, then we will return one of them, and if none of these two are same, then we will return the second element from first edge. So now let's run this for the custom test case. Yeah, so this is accepted. Now let's submit the code. Yeah, so this is accepted. So thank you for watching the video.